Welcome. In today's guide, I'll show exactly how to allow camera access on Discord, step by step. Whether you're trying to video chat with friends or stream directly from your phone, this short walkthrough will help you fix those camera permission issues in no time. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. This is your main control center for everything your apps are allowed to do. Once you're there, scroll down until you find the list of installed apps. Look for Discord. It might be alphabetically listed, or you can just use the search bar at the top to find it faster. When you tap on Discord, you'll see several options related to storage, notifications, and permissions. Tap on Permissions. This is where your phone decides what features Discord can access. Inside the Permissions menu, look for Camera. If it says Not Allowed, that means Discord doesn't currently have permission to use your camera. To fix that, simply tap on Camera and select Allow while using app. This setting makes sure Discord can use your camera only when the app is open and active. It's the perfect balance between privacy and functionality. Once that's done, back out to confirm your changes. Open Discord and join a video call or start your webcam in a server. You should now see your camera working perfectly. If the camera still doesn't come on, double-check that no other apps are using it in the background. Close any apps like Zoom, Google Meet, or FaceTime that might be running. Then restart Discord to refresh its permissions. And that's it. You've successfully allowed camera access on Discord. This quick fix helps ensure your video calls and streams look smooth and professional every time. If you found this guide helpful, take a second to give it a like and share it with someone who might need help setting up their camera on Discord. Thanks for watching.